Chapter 5, TikTok's Algorithm Explained, Visibility, Reach and Engagement. If you want your TikTok Shop content to reach more people and drive more sales, you need to understand how TikTok's algorithm works. The good news? It's not about having a huge following, it's about making content the algorithm wants to share. This chapter will help you do exactly that. What is the TikTok algorithm? The algorithm is the system TikTok uses to decide what videos to show users on their For You page, FYP. It looks at how people interact with your content and decides whether to show it to more people. This means even new accounts with 0 followers can go viral if the content performs well. Key factors that influence reach. 1. Watch time, the most important factor. If viewers watch your video all the way through, or rewatch it, that's a strong signal it's good content. 2. Engagement, likes, shares, comments, and follows all help boost visibility. Shares and saves are especially valuable. 3. Completion rate. TikTok tracks how many viewers watch from start to finish. High completion equals high chance of being promoted. 4. Relevance. TikTok recommends your content to users who interact with similar content based on hashtags, captions, and user behavior. 5. Trending sounds and formats. Using popular sounds or following current trends can give your video a small boost as long as it feels natural. The 3-stage boost process. Most videos go through 3 stages. Test group. TikTok shows your video to a small batch of users. Expansion. If it performs well, it's shown to a broader audience. Viral reach. If it keeps getting engagement, it gets pushed even further, possibly going viral. This means some videos gain traction hours or even days after posting. Don't delete a post too soon. How to work with the algorithm. 1. Hook viewers. Immediately start your video with something attention-grabbing in the first 1-3 seconds. A strong hook improves watch time and retention. 2. Keep it short. Shorter videos, 15-30 seconds, tend to have higher completion rates. 3. Use relevant hashtags. Stick to 3-5 hashtags related to your product and niche. Avoid generic ones like #ForYou unless paired with niche tags. 4. Post consistently. More content equals more opportunities. Aim for at least 1 post per day. 5. Monitor and respond. Engage with comments, answer questions, and update your strategy based on what performs best. When should you post? There's no perfect time, but common peak hours include 6 a.m., 10 a.m., 4 p.m., 9 p.m. Check your account's analytics to see when your audience is most active and adjust from there. What to avoid? Low quality or unclear videos. Long intros with no hook. Irrelevant hashtags. Posting once and disappearing. Consistency, clarity, and creativity win. Key takeaway. TikTok's algorithm is your ally if you understand how to work with it. Focus on watch time, engagement, and relevance. Use strong hooks, short videos, and content that resonates with your audience. The better your video performs, the more TikTok will push it, and the more your shop will grow.